Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to measure distance using ultrasonic sensor and display it in the LCD. Before that, I will share some knowledge about the ultrasonic sensor. The main purpose of this sensor is to calculate the distance to an object. The sensor emits a wave and calculate the distance by the time it takes to reflect in the face of an obstacle. Bats uses the same method. The ultrasonic sensor includes two knobs. One knob emits the pulse and the other knobs detect the pulse. Now I will explain the circuit. Here you can see LCD and sensor are interfaced with the Arduino. We discussed about the interfacing of the LCD in the previous videos. So please refer the previous videos for the interfacing of the LCD. I will explain how the ultrasonic sensor is interfaced. As you can see in the image, the VCC is connected to 5 volt and the triggering pin is connected to pin number 5 of the Arduino, and echo is connected to pin number 3 of the Arduino, and the GND is connected to the common ground. Well, now we are moving on to the hardware side. Here I took our regular board and an ultrasonic sensor. The pinout details are printed on the board itself. I am going to solder this sensor to the board using a female bugs pin. Okay, after soldering we will move on to the software side. Here you can see I included the header file for LCD, the header file for timer interrupt, and declared the LCD pins, declared the pins for the ultrasonic sensor, declared some variables, and coming up to the setup function, I declared trigger pin as output and echo pin as input, then initialized the LCD and show a message on the display. Then coming up to the main loop, initially I cleared the trigger pin and send a 10 microsecond pulse to trigger the sensor, and here I am reading the duration of the pulse from the echo pin, and this is a calculation deriving the distance. Here I am displaying the distance in the LCD. That's it. It's a very simple program, and we are going to upload this program and going to check the result.